Italian racer Marco Bezzecchi received an offer to ride a factory Ducati motorbike in MotoGP 2024. But unfortunately he refused because if he wanted a factory motorbike he had to move to the Pramac Racing satellite team. Bezzecchi chose to stay with the VR46 Racing team, even though he only got a satellite motorbike. Bezzecchi's decision seems to be one made more by the heart and not the head, right? Of course, I always prioritize what makes me feel good, said Bezzecchi in an interview with Speedweek.com. But it wasn't just a decision of the heart. There are proper considerations behind this which I, as I know myself, have decided with myself. I thought about what could be better for me, he continued. Nowadays in MotoGP you have to be fast. I tried various things in my head to understand whether I could reach the same speed as other people in a short time, because you have to get there quickly, added Bezzecchi. The Italian man is also not worried that the factory motorbike will get better developments in the future. No, I'm not worried. I'm ready, said Bezzecchi. Bezzecchi will team up with another Italian rider, Fabio Di Giannantonio, on the VR46 Racing team for the 2024 season. Diggia was chosen to replace Luca Marini, who moved to the Repsol Honda factory team.